All right, what's up, guys? So here's a little update on the TA03R TRF, and yeah, there she is, all disassembled, cleaned up and put back together. The only thing that I changed was well, a lot of things: the servo, speed control. I put this blue Tamiya belt, looks pretty dang cool on there, and new axles in the front, wheels, springs, and yeah, that's basically it. Everything else is just cleaned up. The bottom had some type of glue, took all that off. It's pretty nice. I really like this car because oh, and I also put this bumper. I made the bumper and the actual plastic piece right there is off of a Tamiya Nitro car. So yeah, so one thing I really like about this car is the fact that it's a beater, so I could run it and I could scrape the bottom, put a nice gouge in it, and it just blends in with all the other deep scratches. I do have other cars that are very nice on the bottom, and I don't like running them because one fresh gouge, it's painful. But yeah, so I rebuilt the shocks. Everything is pretty smooth. I put the TRF decal, looks pretty dang nice. And yeah, polished up the heatsink. And just cleaned everything. Let's see. There we go, right there. I kept this motor. I just put a Hobby Wing 1060. Love these little speed controls. They call these ESCs for electric speed control. And this is a 1060. They have the 1080, which is an 80 amp, and the 60 is a 60 amp. And these things are a little beasts. They're bulletproof, reliable. It has forward brake, reverse, and it's programmable where, like, if you're gonna enter a race, you could set it to forward and reverse only. I mean, forward and brake, and like a lot of times they don't allow reverse in racing, so you could switch it where it's legal, and then you could put it where you could have reverse, which is pretty dang cool. Yeah, so I kept this Speed Gem ESC, just cleaned up everything inside. But yeah, guys, so that's a little update on the Tamiya TA03R TRF. It's looking pretty sweet. Very fun car, super fast. This thing weighs nothing. I weighed it without the battery and it comes out to like 960 grams for the whole car. And if you compare that to like the other cars of this era, this is like half the weight, just about. I'm exaggerating, but it's super lightweight. But yeah, so all right, guys, so that's gonna be a little video. Get a better shot of that carbon fiber. That looks super sweet, vintage Tamiya. If you want to see more of these little videos, little updates, some RC car content, smash the like, and yeah, I'll just update. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.